In the vast, unforgiving expanse of nature, many stories go untold. Most struggles happen in total silence, hidden from the human eye. But today, the silence was broken by a heartbeat in distress. Look at those eyes. They aren't just reflecting pain. They are reflecting the fear of a life cut short. This creature, a symbol of wisdom and grace, found itself at the mercy of a world that doesn't always care. Trapped in a web of steel and despair, every struggle only made the grip tighter. It had almost given up. It had almost accepted that its story would end here, alone and forgotten. But humanity is defined by the moments we choose to look closer. When these kind souls arrived, they didn't see an animal. They saw a life that deserved to keep breathing. Notice the patience in their hands. They know that one wrong move could cause more harm, yet they persist. It is a delicate dance between man and nature, a bridge built on empathy. The rescue is slow, painful, and intense. It's a reminder that while humans can sometimes cause destruction, we also have the divine power to heal and protect. Why does this matter? Why do we spend hours, days, and weeks saving one small life? Because every soul is connected to another. While she lay injured in a cage, miles away, a nest was growing cold. Her children, her legacy, were waiting for a return that seemed impossible. Nature is a chain, and when one link breaks, the whole forest feels in the quiet of the recovery room, you can almost hear her thoughts. She isn't just resting, she is dreaming of the wind beneath her wings and the voices of her young ones calling from the shadows of the trees. Healing is the greatest miracle of all. It is the slow, steady victory of life over death. Watch the transition from a broken spirit to a warrior reclaiming its strength. Each bite of food, each stretch of a wing is a step back toward the sky. The rescuers become silent guardians, watching a miracle unfold right before their eyes. There is a profound beauty in watching a creature regain its dignity. It reminds us that no matter how hard we fall, with a little help and a lot of courage, we can rise again. And then, the moment the universe was waiting for. The air is calling. The cage is no longer a sanctuary, it is a memory. As the hands release their hold, a soul takes flight. It is a moment of pure, unadulterated joy. She flies not just toward the trees, but toward her purpose. The reunion we see now is the answer to every prayer whispered during her rescue. Look at that embrace. It is the language of love that needs no translation. Remember this story the next time you see a soul in need. Kindness is the only thing that truly lasts. Love found its way home today, and because of that, the world is a little brighter. Thank you for being part of this journey.